Finally made it, guys. I got a full-time job at Walmart, and now I'm looking for my Canadian dream. My house, my kind of like, place just something humble that I can come home to every day, maybe start a family. Not sure yet. But because Canada offers so much, and I finally got that full-time job here in Canada, I'm looking at this listing that my psychic has sent me and suggests that it's got 7 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms. So plenty of room for my therapist to live in with me, and perhaps my dog therapist can join us as well, and just live on this 10-acre estate. It's got room for at least 27 cars. There's 4 garages right there, but leads into a garage bigger than most homes, I would say. But again, full time now, so I can definitely afford this. Most people, they can only afford maybe that bush or tree that you see on the side of the house. And then I also, here you can see I hired someone. So yeah, I hired someone. There he is. So this is a Adam Sandler impersonator that I hired to just kind of go around the grounds and yell out things that Adam Sandler would say, especially from like Happy Gilmore movie and things like that. Like when he, and sometimes he'll just jump out of there and fight me like I'm Bob Barker. So it's kind of cool. So I'm really happy with that. That's a good investment right there. And yeah, he just does this all day. It's kind of weird, but I kind of makes me happy. So that's what I did with that extra full-time job. I was able to do that. So this is like the Credit River. So I come here, I meditate, I kind of just, and I also like to throw my trash in there just because it's kind of easier to do, and take it to the curb is a lot further to walk. So I just go to the river and throw all my garbage in there. It's just much easier. So I appreciate that. It's a bonus. The taxes are 137,000 six. Well, anyway, about $138,000 a year. So those are my property taxes, which I know it'll go to the one of the wars, maybe Ukraine. I don't know, but I know it's going to good use instead of like filling the potholes on the streets that kind of lead up to my house. So that's a good feeling inside that I'm kind of donating to all the wars outside of Canada instead of focusing on improving my community that I live in with this beautiful home. So yeah, I just want to mention that. Um, so yeah, 7 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms. Iron gate, keep everyone out of here. So I kind of enjoy that. It's over 19,000 square feet of living space on 4 levels. So of course I have an elevator that does all 4 levels. And I got a wolf, not outside, but inside the kitchen there. That's a wolf stove, which I don't have time to cook because I'm working, 60 hours a week at Walmart to kind of help me with the mortgage payments. So that's why I don't really get. That's why it looks kind of like not even lived in. It's because I'm hardly here, but you know, I'm loving it. The grounds are nice. The pool's there. If I want to bring, some people over, I can teach them like English. We have English classes and stuff like that I like to do here. Yeah, and it's fun. So, what else can I say? Oh, I got a text from my psychic saying yes, everything's good. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.